Can you guess 56 World Cup flags as they go from easy to impossible? Only a genius clears the final round. Which legendary World Cup country's flag is this? Is it A, Colombia, B, Brazil, or C, South Africa? It's B, Brazil. They have won 5 World Cups. Which South American world champion's flag is this? Is it A, Argentina, B, Uruguay, or C, Chile? It's A, Argentina. They won the 2022 tournament. Which dominant European champion's flag is this? Is it A, Italy, B, Belgium, or C, France? It's C, France. They won in 1998 and 2018. Which 4-time World Cup winner's flag is this? Is it A, Germany, B, Netherlands, or C, Belgium? It's A, Germany. They won 4 World Cup titles. Which 2010 World Cup champion's flag is this? Is it A, Portugal, B, Spain, or C, Mexico? It's B, Spain. They won with their tiki-taka style. Which famous European powerhouse's flag is this? Is it A, Ireland, B, Hungary, or C, Italy? It's C, Italy. They are 4-time World Cup winners. Which team, known as the Three Lions, uses this flag? Is it A, England, B, Switzerland, or C, Georgia? It's A, England. They won the cup in 1966. Which Asian powerhouse team's flag is this? Is it A, South Korea, B, Japan, or C, China? It's B, Japan. They are known as Samurai Blue. Which North American co-host of the 2026 World Cup uses this flag? Is it A, Canada, B, USA, or C, Austria? It's A, Canada. They co-host the 2026 tournament. Which team, known as the Stars and Stripes, plays under this flag? Is it A, Liberia, B, USA, or C, Malaysia? It's B, USA. That is their national team nickname. Which passionate World Cup nation's flag is this? Is it A, Italy, B, Mexico, or C, Hungary? It's B, Mexico. They hosted in 1970 and 1986. Which European team, famous for Cristiano Ronaldo, uses this flag? Is it A, Portugal, B, Spain, or C, Morocco? It's A, Portugal. Their best finish was 3rd in 1966. Which 3-time World Cup finalists play in bright orange but use this flag? Is it A, Luxembourg, B, France, or C, Netherlands? It's C, Netherlands. They famously play in bright orange. Which Oceania-based team, known as the Socceroos, uses this flag? Is it A, Australia, B, New Zealand, or C, United Kingdom? It's A, Australia. They are nicknamed the Socceroos. Which 2018 World Cup runners-up use this checkered shield flag? Is it A, Serbia, B, Slovakia, or C, Croatia? It's C, Croatia. They reached the final in 2018. Which European team, known as the Red Devils, uses this flag? Is it A, Belgium, B, Germany, or C, Romania? It's A, Belgium. They finished 3rd place in 2018. Which country won the very first World Cup in 1930 under this flag? Is it A, Argentina, B, Uruguay, or C, Greece? It's B, Uruguay. They hosted and won in 1930. Which Asian team reached the semifinals in 2002 under this flag? Is it A, Japan, B, China, or C, South Korea? It's C, South Korea. They made history as co-hosts. Which European team, famous for its defensive strength, uses this square flag? Is it A, Switzerland, B, Austria, or C, Denmark? It's A, Switzerland. Their flag is famously square. Which Scandinavian country hosted the 1958 World Cup finals under this flag? Is it A, Norway, B, Sweden, or C, Finland? It's B, Sweden. They reached the final in 1958. Which South American team, famous for its colorful fans, uses this yellow dominant flag? Is it A, Ecuador, B, Venezuela, or C, Colombia? It's C, Colombia. They reached the quarterfinals in 2014. Which history-making African semifinalist from 2022 uses this flag? Is it A, Morocco, B, Tunisia, or C, Egypt? It's A, Morocco, first African nation in a semifinal. Which African champions, known as the Lions of Teranga, play under this flag? Is it A, Mali, B, Senegal, or C, Cameroon? It's B, Senegal. They reached the quarterfinals in 2002. Which European nation, known as the Red and White, uses this historic flag? Is it A, Denmark, B, Switzerland, or C, Austria? It's A, Denmark. This flag is called the Dannebrog. Which iconic African team, famous for striker Roger Milla, plays under this flag? Is it A, Ghana, B, Cameroon, or C, Senegal? It's B, Cameroon. They reached the quarterfinals in 1990. Which African team, famous for their super creative green kits, uses this flag? Is it A, Nigeria, B, Algeria, or C, Zambia? It's A, Nigeria. They are the Super Eagles. Which European nation, led by legendary striker Robert Lewandowski, uses this flag? Is it A, Poland, B, Indonesia, or C, Monaco? It's A, Poland. They finished third in 1974 and 1982. Which Central American team made a historic run to the quarterfinals in 2014 under this flag? Is it A, Costa Rica, B, Panama, or C, Honduras? It's A, Costa Rica. They topped a group of champions. Which South American team played the opening match of the 2022 World Cup under this flag? Is it A, Colombia, B, Ecuador, or C, Venezuela? It's B, Edward. They won the 2022 opening match. Which South American team returned to the World Cup in 2018 after a 36-year wait under this flag? Is it A, Peru, B, Bolivia, or C, Paraguay? It's A, Peru. They returned in Russia 2018. Which team, known as the Black Stars, fell just short of the semifinals in 2010 under this flag? Is it A, Ghana, B, Cameroon, or C, Senegal? It's A, Ghana. They nearly reached the semifinals. Which North African team won their first ever World Cup match in 1978 under this flag? Is it A, Egypt, B, Algeria, or C, Tunisia? It's C, Tunisia, first African team to win a match. Which European nation made its long-awaited World Cup return in 2022 under this flag? Is it A, Scotland, B, Wales, or C, Northern Ireland? It's B, Wales, first World Cup appearance since 1958. Which small island nation made a big splash at the 2018 World Cup under this flag? Is it A, Iceland, B, Finland, or C, Norway? It's A, Iceland, smallest country by population to qualify. Which European nation competes under this tricolor flag featuring a double-headed eagle? Is it A, Croatia, B, Slovakia, or C, Serbia? It's C, Serbia. Their coat of arms has an eagle. Which African nation, led by superstar Mohamed Salah, played in the 2018 World Cup under this flag? Is it A, Egypt, B, Syria, or C, Yemen? It's A, Egypt, their first World Cup since 1990. Which top-ranked Asian team has qualified for multiple consecutive tournaments under this flag? Is it A, Iraq, B, Iran, or C, Kuwait? It's B, Iran. They are consistent Asian qualifiers. Which European country reached the World Cup quarterfinals in 2006 under this flag? Is it A, Ukraine, B, Sweden, or C, Romania? It's A, Ukraine. They reached the final 8 in 2006. Which team finished in a shocking third place at the 2002 World Cup under this flag? Is it A, Tunisia, B, Turkey, or C, Egypt? It's B, Turkey. They took third place in 2002. Which spirited South American team reached the knockout stages in 2010 and 2014 under this flag? Is it A, Paraguay, B, Cuba, or C, Chile? It's C, Chile. They reached consecutive round of 16s. Which African nation, famous for Didier Drogba, qualified for 3 straight World Cups under this flag? Is it A, Ivory Coast, B, Ireland, or C, India? It's A, Ivory Coast. They qualified 3 straight times. Which North African team famously pushed Germany to extra time in 2014 under this flag? Is it A, Tunisia, B, Libya, or C, Algeria? It's C, Algeria. They played a thriller against Germany. Which Central American nation celebrated their first ever World Cup goal in 2018 under this flag? Is it A, Costa Rica, B, Panama, or C, Honduras? It's B, Panama. They made their debut in 2018. Which Central American nation competed in the 2010 and 2014 World Cups under this flag? Is it A, Honduras, B, El Salvador, or C, Nicaragua? It's A, Honduras. They qualified for consecutive tournaments. Which Caribbean nation, nicknamed the Reggae Boys, played in the 1998 World Cup under this flag? Is it A, Trinidad and Tobago, B, Haiti, or C, Jamaica? It's C, Jamaica. They debuted in France 1998. Which undefeated team at the 2010 tournament in South Africa played under this flag? Is it A, Australia, B, New Zealand, or C, South Africa? It's B, New Zealand, only unbeaten team in 2010. Which team made a historic run to the quarterfinals in 1966 under this flag? Is it A, South Korea, B, China, or C, North Korea? It's C, North Korea. They famously defeated Italy. Which Middle Eastern nation made their sole World Cup appearance in 1982 under this flag? Is it A, Kuwait, B, Iraq, or C, Saudi Arabia? It's A, Kuwait. Their only World Cup was in 1982. Which Caribbean country scored a famous goal against Italy in the 1974 tournament under this flag? Is it A, Jamaica, B, Haiti, or C, Cuba? It's B, Haiti. They scored against Dino Zoff. Which Central American nation made their 2 World Cup appearances in 1970 and 1982 under this flag? Is it A, El Salvador, B, Guatemala, or C, Honduras? It's A, El Salvador. They qualified in 1970 and 1982. Which West African nation made their World Cup debut in 2006 under this flag? Is it A, Togo, B, Benin, or C, Guinea? It's A, Togo. They were led by Adebayor. Which Caribbean nation became the smallest country to qualify for a World Cup in 2006 under this flag? Is it A, Jamaica, B, Barbados, or C, Trinidad and Tobago? It's C, Trinidad and Tobago. They debuted in 2006. Which South American country made their last World Cup appearance in 1994 under this flag? Is it A, Bolivia, B, Ecuador, or C, Venezuela? It's A, Bolivia. They played in USA 1994. Which European nation reached the quarterfinals in 1990 without winning a game in normal time under this flag? Is it A, Northern Ireland, B, Republic of Ireland, or C, Wales? It's B, Republic of Ireland. They drew their way through. Which Middle Eastern country made their single World Cup appearance in 1990 under this flag? Is it A, Qatar, B, UAE, or C, Oman? It's B, UAE. They qualified for Italy 1990. Which European former champions played in the 2010 and 2014 World Cups under this flag? Is it A, Cyprus, B, Finland, or C, Greece? It's C, Greece. They made back-to-back appearances. How many flags did you guess correctly? Tell us in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more fun quizzes.